Get ready to meet the most feathered undercover agent you've ever seen. This is Percy, a regular parrot by day and an elite spy by night. Armed with a beak that could crack codes and feathers that can blend into any scene, Percy's got it all. When he's not munching on sunflower seeds, Percy's gathering top-secret intel. He's fluent in 5 languages and can mimic voices to perfection. Imagine your pet parrot ordering takeout in perfect Mandarin. But what's Percy's biggest weapon? His charm. He can distract the toughest security guard with a well-timed joke, and when things get dicey, he flies off into the sunset, leaving only a trail of feathers and baffled spies. So next time you see a parrot, remember, it might just be Percy on his next secret mission. Stay curious, adventure lovers.